Hi, I'm Linda Collada, Director of Clinical Applications for Mobius Therapeutics. The new USP 800 standards for healthcare workers handling hazardous drugs will become effective on November 1st of 2023. This is going to change how we handle Mitomycin C in our operating rooms and the type of PPE that will be required. Anyone handling mitomycin will be required to wear 2 pairs of sterile chemo-tested gloves. Also, a reinforced gown, eye and face protection, an N95 mask, and shoe covers. Now, you may need to do a risk assessment to address unique practices we find in ophthalmic surgery. For example, if your surgeon is administering mitomycin under a microscope, will they be able to wear goggles or a face shield? It's impossible, right? So you would need to write up a risk assessment explaining why the surgeon is not wearing eye and face protection when administering the mitomycin. You need to make sure that there is an alternative containment strategy in place. And in this case, the microscope would protect the surgeon from any splashes or sprays. Now, the risk assessment is not intended to cherry pick what you want to do and what you don't want to do. You have to have a really good reason for deviating from the standard as written. Now, the risk assessment is also optional, but if you don't write one up, they will expect you to follow the standards as written. You can learn more about the PPE requirements and other standards by downloading the USP 800 Learning Module from the Mobius Therapeutics website. The Learning Module is free, and it has helped many facilities prepare for compliance. There's a lot to do to prepare, and the Learning Module will definitely help you.